So it's just a routine that you get into, and then when it's a curl like this, just be careful that it doesn't. That when you put this down, it lays flat.
Okay.
Go to the next print.
Got it.
And then sometimes see how this is curled. I'll do it just like that. I'll leave because I know that when this is flat, it's going to stick to the mount board better. It's going to be down flatter.
Yeah.
So yeah, just line that up. Yeah. Yeah. Just a nice easy motion. You don't want to put a lot of pressure. You have to, you know, put enough. Okay, so then do your first trim, which is floating. And I always do the same one every time. Do the bottom. Yeah. Okay, don't put it against here. Remember, you don't have a square cut yet, so just, and see how it's angled?
Yeah.
So you're going to take off less here and more over there. Yeah. Put that down. Make your first cut. And if it's not right, it's okay. I'd rather take off a little than too much. That looks good. Okay, now you have a square cut.
Yeah.
Now you start here and go work your way around the print. So make sure that goes under. So the curl print, you have to watch it.
Yeah.
So just make sure it's flat up against here.
Oh.
No. Yeah. Yeah, this one. And you get used to it. It'll become second nature. It's real important with a curl print to push this down and have it flat at all times. Because once you clamp it like that, you're fine. But you just make sure that that's
okay.
Okay. But you know, just keeping it flat against there is the most important thing. Okay, so
needs to do it.
Yeah, a little bit more. But I'd rather take off too little than too much. Remember, keep it. This is real important. That corner there. Okay.
There we go.
Okay, get your mount stock. Check that. It's just a process of checking everything, checking the mount stock. You know, if there's no little dents or dings in it. It's just a continuous watching. So it's really, you really have to concentrate. All right. Get your prints.
This is on.
Now this is usually the hardest part, is because it wants to slide around on you. So you have to be.
Like that.
Yeah. Use two hands to get it square. Look at it. Okay. Now you don't have to do it fast. This is real important to get this perfectly square. Same distance on both sides. Same distance on the top. And once it's there, then you place your hand.
Okay.
Then you do it. Okay. This is the hardest part of the mounting, and it has to be very precise. So you're using your eyes to see the distances.
Yeah.
And see, it wants to slip around.
Okay.
Okay, push, see it slip. So when you get it to where you want it, that pressure is even and firm down. And that's just dexterity. You'll figure it out. Yeah. Nice and easy. Now don't lift that other hand up. Let it go. Rotate it around and pick up that side with your thumb. Yep, perfect. See? Okay. And don't go all the way to the edge.
Okay.
Because sometimes you can carry the stickum onto the mount stock.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Check the print. Good, yeah. Okay. And then there again, it's a routine. So you do it exactly the same every single time. You lift this off, you put that there. You lift this up, you put it there. You put this down. So it's a real simple routine. If you keep it simple, you won't screw up. You always put the weight on one side. Then you pick up the pen and go. So if you get those simple little things, it's just like organizing. Yeah. Okay, make sure it's all the way in.
Yeah.
Great. You can go to your next one.